Today I'm going to show you how to fix printer not working on Windows 11. I literally have a printer that I struggled to connect for days, and I would work on it and then stop because it was frustrating, and then work on it again, and eventually I found a solution, and this is what you're about to see. So let us get your printer working again. The first thing, turn off your printer, unplug it for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in and power it on. This is a very simple reset, but it's kind of like a rule of thumb. It will work for most things in life. Obviously, I say that with a pinch of salt. Then the next thing is to connect your printer by checking all of your connections. So confirm that your USB cable is firmly seated on both ends, on your computer as well as your printer, or that your network printer is on a stable Wi-Fi signal. Try a different USB port if needed, or try a different network if you are able to. Then you can run a printer troubleshoot. This is actually built into your Windows system. So go to settings, look for system, under system troubleshoot, and then other troubleshooters, and then click run next to the printer icon. This is especially effective after the Windows 11 24H2 update. Then the next thing, restart your Print Spooler. So search for services in the Windows search bar, locate Print Spooler, right click it and select restart. This will actually clear any stuck or queued print jobs. The next thing is to reinstall all of your printer drivers. So after any major updates, as I mentioned, like the 24H2, drivers can actually become corrupt. So remove the printer under settings, look for Bluetooth and devices, look for printers and scanners, and then download fresh drivers from the manufacturer's website. If you are still stuck, you can visit the printer's manufacturer support page, depending on who that is, and you can search specifically for Windows 11 compatibility drivers to ensure full support directly from them.